The organism that we chose for this documentary is the oak tree. You can find oak trees everywhere. They're found on all of the 5 continents. They have been on Earth for about 56 million years, which explains why they are such a prominent type of tree. First starting from only one species, oak trees have now expanded into over 400 different subspecies.
Here are some facts about oak trees. Although these creatures might not be so exciting, they definitely are important organisms. Oak trees provide food for small animals and shelter for many birds. Many creatures rely on oak trees to survive. There are over 100 different species of animals that eat acorns from oak trees. Some of these animals include squirrels, blue jays, rabbits, and raccoons. Oak trees produce oxygen for us to breathe, and simultaneously, oak trees have also been proven to clear the air by absorbing pollutants and getting rid of carbon dioxide.
The first characteristic of life that the oak tree exhibits is the ability to reproduce. As you can observe in the video, acorns can be found all around the bases of the oak trees. Acorns are an oak tree's seed, which is a tree's offspring. Therefore, oak trees display their ability to reproduce through their acorns.
The second characteristic of life that the oak tree displays is the ability to grow and develop, also known as evolution. These amazing creatures have the ability to turn into a gigantic tree from a tiny acorn. This is part of the oak tree's life cycle. These trees have also adapted so much throughout their 30 million year history. As temperatures and climates continually changed, oak trees migrated to many different parts of the world. Something that makes oak trees unique is their ability to survive in absolutely any environment. The more than 400 species of oak trees all evolved from one single oak tree.
The third characteristic of life that the oak tree demonstrates is energy use. Though we don't generally see oak trees doing any action, we can observe the way they use their energy through their leaves. For instance, leaves on an oak tree are for the most part green. However, once the season changes to fall, the leaves begin to turn yellow, orange, or red. Fall isn't the only season where you can see the leaves of an oak tree start to turn a different color, though. When leaves fall from trees, they begin to shrivel up. This change indicates that oak trees use energy, as it introduces chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the pigment that makes leaves green and is also the primary producer of energy for an oak tree. This fact displays how oak trees exhibit their use of energy through chlorophyll.